guys, welcome to my desk, Tita's Red Desk. This channel is about Bible journaling, arts, crafts, unboxing, and enjoying the important things in life. Remember, always be good to yourself and others. Never underestimate the power of a smile. It's free and it can change someone's day. If you like my videos and what I do, please follow me, share, and feel free to comment. My goal is to post something new, exciting, and positive at least once a week. I would like to start by thanking God for this day and sharing a quote from my devotional. Today's quote reads, "Lord, you are truly, truly great. May my life receive that and share it. I know I'll never be perfect, but I can be a good example." Okay, let's get going. Today I want to share with you this awesome product that I just received from Amazon. This is the Happy Planner and it's the budget edition. So here we have the box. It came with some tape here to make it secured. I just removed those. And a description, 12-month updated planner. It's in English. I believe this is French. Yes, it is French and Spanish. Then when you turn the box around, here's some pictures of the contents in the box. This is my first Happy Planner. I've been wanting to get one. And I found this in Amazon for a really good price, so I decided to buy it. I chose this edition, the budget edition, because I want to start being more organized in regards to money and my finances, my family's finances. And I saw some of the pictures online and I thought it would be useful for me. I also bought these sheets, which are called, I believe, project sheets. These I went and grabbed from Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99 for a packet of 40 sheets. And I also got these budget planner additional tabs and sheets that we're going to open today as well. So let's get going to the main item here. Okay, let's see what we got. Like I said, this is my first Happy Planner, so I probably won't know what everything is about. I'm pretty sure I'll figure it out with time. But I just wanted to share with you what the contents of the box are. So here we have stickers. A budget is about giving every dollar a purpose. Account balances, goals, pay bills. So these are stickers that I'm assuming you will attach to the planner somewhere. Then here we have monthly budget, which has some lines here: saving, giving, housing, food, utilities, phone, cable, internet, insurance, transportation, and 4 more blanks for you to add your own expenses. There are other stickers here in the center: emergency fund, a penny saved is a penny earned, don't go broke trying to look rich. I like that one. A lot of people fall for that, unfortunately. Debt, live on less, at your wage, paid off. This is great. These are excellent quotes. Very some motivation. Okay, here we have more stickers. Yes, this is an undated planner, as I read. So I believe these are the tabs. Here you have the months, different lettering, and some stickers. And here we have the numbers for the dates. Stickers. Great. Okay. So let's move on to the planner. Remove these. Okay, there's some sticky stuff there. here's an empty box. Empty. It's just packaging, I guess, so it doesn't move inside the box too much. And empty box. Okay, so this is the actual planner. These are plastic, gold color, and here we have some sticky notes, a piggy. Here it says do, and the money sign, which you can probably use inside the planner. So let's do a flip through here. I believe this can be, yes, this can be removed from there. It attaches to it. So the front reads, wealth is the ability to fully experience life. And it says Henry David Thoreau. So I'm assuming that's the person who wrote the quote. Okay, here are the, assuming that the girls that are responsible for this project, they have the planner. And we are going to cut this plastic from here so we can flip through our beautiful planner. It is a really beautiful thing, actually. Let's turn it around. The back, it has a piggy bank, a happy planner, me and my big ideas, or Mambi, as I've heard some people call it. Right, let's flip through. Okay, thank you ladies for this amazing project. All right, it says, hello, this is Happy Planner, budget edition, belongs to me, Tita. And this is 2019, although it's undated, the 2018 calendar is included. So here's the savings goal per month. Monthly budget. Okay, there's a starting balance, monthly income, and this is for the month off. I'll write the month there. And then these are the fixed expenses, the amount that those expenses cost, how much is due. Then here's the savings. This is very important. I want to focus on these. Goals for the month. Perfect. Okay, so here we have, this light is not helping me very much right now. Hope you can see it. But here is how your money should be distributed, I believe. So we have recreation, 5 to 10%, savings 10 to 15, giving 10 to 15, housing 25 to 35, utilities 5 to 10, food 10 to 15, transportation 10 to 15, health 5 to 10, insurance 10 to 25, personal 10 to 15. I believe that's where I started. Yeah, I think that's a really good, good balance. All right, so here we're going to add the tabs. Here's the weekly view. Okay, another week. So it has, notice, it has a weekly spending. I believe the first one was, yes, notes, weekly spending, notes, bills to pay on top, weekly spending, notes, another week, weekly spending, notes, work hard, and dream big. Savings, weekly spending, notes, weekly spending, notes, and here we got expense tracker, the date, the amount, category description, and then we have here cash, credit, debit, need, want. This is very important. Some of us have difficulty determining what's a need and what's a want, and that makes a huge difference in where and how we use our money. Then here's bill pay, checklist, the payment name, the due date, the amount, and then there's a box for you to check it out. Some notes. Then we have the monthly budget for the month off. So this is the next month. This is beautiful. So we'll have the same kind of design here for this month. We'll go through it a little faster now. Now we know what the layout is about. Until we get to the next month. This one says, tell your money exactly where to go and you will not wonder where it went. Huh. Okay. Another month, weeks, I mean. We get to the end of the month, and then we get to the following month. And this one reads, beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship, by Benjamin Franklin. Wise. Okay. Let's move to the next one. I love this. I can, I will. I will recommend this planner for anybody that would like to be more attentive to their finances and know where every dollar is going to, so you can rethink your budget and determine what's really important for you. Okay, here is now is the new later. These are the weeks for that particular month. I like this one. Here it says, don't give up great things. Take time. That's true. Fight for what you want. Keep your eyes on the goal. And just keep moving forward. Doesn't matter how long it takes, you'll get there. Expense tracker again. This another month here. Wealth is the ability to fully experience life, which was the same we read on the cover. This is really nice. Nicely done, girls. I love this girly pink. Spend less, live more. A lot of people don't understand that not everything is about the money, but how you use it. And then we go to the next one. Remember why you started. Keep your eyes on the goal. Feed the pig first. This is such a cute thing here. Okay. I will probably change this to medals at some point. I saw there were medals, but you can buy those separately. Okay. This month's tab reads, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest, by Benjamin Franklin too. Okay, let's move on before this light hits even stronger. A budget is about giving every dollar a purpose. Agree. Same thing. Next month. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. That's smart. And we get to the last month, which is the money sign. Okay. This way we get to the end. We have the expense tracker as for every month. And we have one last sheet for notes. Okay, perfect. Now, this is the regular size. I believe there is a mini size and a large size, but this is the size that works for me. And I love the colors. Yep, perfect. All right, so let's look at the insert that I bought at Hobby Lobby. Okay, here it goes. That's better. Okay. So this one for the planner was on sale on Amazon, and I paid $28 for that box with the planner and these 4 sheets of stickers. It's 4, right? Yes. And then these inserts, the budget planner inserts, I paid $9.99. Well, the price is $9.99, but I actually paid $6 something because I used the 40% off coupon from Hobby Lobby, which I believe you can print any day. You just have to Google Hobby Lobby discount and it will let you print the 40% off. It's valid for just one item at a time. So just save, use it for those big type items that you want to get. Michaels has the same thing, I believe. Okay, so let's flip through these. In the back, it says what is included. It says monthly calendar pages, stickers, undated, dividers, monthly budget, expense tracker, savings goals page. I hope this is not redundant to what I got in the planner. Let's take a look. So the first one is budget planner. You know that I have this one already. The tabs are different. Bill pay, checklist, payment, name. So it looks pretty similar. Let me get my planner and compare. Let's see. Let's take a look here. So basically, this is what comes in the planner, and this is what comes in this insert. So it's basically the same. Hope you can see it there. So there we go. Expense tracker, date, amount, category description, cash, credit, debit, need, want. Same thing. And then on this side, let's see. This is the same sheet. Okay. So it's the same as this side so far. Just different colors. These are more like pastels, more muted. These are brighter colors here. Okay, let's keep on checking the similarities. Okay, so we have a few of these. Now we have something new. We have a budget review. Where did I have the most trouble? What could I improve this month? what goals can I set for next month? Okay, so basically you insert these on this first one. I skipped this one. Is month at a glance. Starting balance, main income, extra income, total income, projected total, actual total, total difference. And then we have housing with mortgage, rent, phone, electricity, gas, water, cable, maintenance. Then we have transportations, auto, public transportation, fuel, maintenance, gas, insurance, home, health, life, car, food, groceries, dining out, children, medical, clothing, school tuition, school supplies, dues, fees, lunch money, childcare, toys, games, taxes, federal, state property, personal care, medical, clothing, hair, nails, nails, entertainment, movies, outings, loans, personal, student, credit card, savings, investments, retirement savings, subtotals, miscellaneous, actual income, total expenses, and results. Okay, let's go back to it. So this is the beginning. First step, this by month, which I believe we saw at the beginning of the planner. Let's go back here. Pretty sure I saw that. Here it is. Okay, so at the beginning of the planner, we have these with no months here. This one has the months on, okay? So then when we flip that page, we have the month at a glance, which we don't have on the planner, okay? And then we start the first month like this, which is the first week view like this. So these are this is the insert and this is the planner. Let's move on. So we have 1 week there. And then we have these, which is the same we have at the end of each month in the planner. Here we go. This sheet right here, and then this sheet right there. Okay. Expense tracker. Then we have the review. Where did I have the most trouble? What could I improve this month? What goals can I set for next month? Okay. Then we have this again, month at a glance. Following month, stop wishing, start doing. And then we have the weeks in the calendar, the whole month. Here the checklist, expense tracker. So basically this is more detail. And then the same thing at the end, keeping you right on track. Following. Okay, now we know what we have, so we can move a little faster. Okay. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Calendar, checklist, expense tracker, budget review, beautiful polka dots for next month, calendar. Flip right through this, as we already know. live well. This is something to think about. What does living well mean to you? Is it all about spending money, or is it really about living and enjoying what you have? All right, here we go. Okay. I believe we got to the end of this part. This one is really cute. Has a pocket on that side and on this side. I see receipts going in there. And here we have stickers. Bill due, blanks, lots of piggy banks, payday, money sign, work hard, motivational phrases. Here we have the months, proud, paid, proud, plan to save, cute flowers, etc. Okay. All right, so I see this going into the planner. Maybe not all of them because it will be repetitive, but some of the sheets I will add to the planner, to the actual planner. This, for example, I like this that the planner doesn't have, and the stickers, of course. So I will see how I organize it, but I think it will be useful. It's more, it gives me more space to detail what I want to do. So it was not a waste of money. Okay. Now, last but not least, I have these, which is, I have a lot of projects going on at the moment, so I wanted to get these sheets to keep myself organized. And they are all the same sheets in different colors. Greens, purples, another shade of green, some pinks. So basically, they all say project goal, today's date, the subject, overview, planning steps, action steps, and the due date. So if you have a project in mind, this is great to keep you on track on what you're doing and what your steps should be to accomplish what you're planning to do. So I'll be using these sheets. All right, so this is it. It's 3 products that we just unboxed today: the planner, the budget planner insert, and the project goal sheets from the Happy Planner line. And I am hoping that you saw what you wanted to see about these products. I will leave the links down below in case you want to see them more in detail or you would like to purchase them. Let me know if you have any questions. I will be more than happy to answer any questions that you guys have. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.